In this video, you're going to learn about systems of equations and how they can show up in common problems that you might run across. Essentially, a system of equations is a set of two or more equations that must be solved at the same time. Now we'll look at this example and see how it leads to a system of equations. You have $800 available to repair a gravel driveway. Coarse gravel costs $29 per ton, and fine gravel costs $31 per ton. You must have 3 times as much fine gravel as coarse gravel to make the driveway smooth, so that you can actually drive on it. Now here's the question: how much of each type of gravel should you buy? This problem is going to lead to 2 equations. The first equation comes from the cost of gravel and the total amount of money that we have available. The total cost of our purchase is going to be $29 times the tons of coarse gravel that we buy, plus $31 times the tons of fine gravel that we buy. This total amount should be equal to the amount of money that we have available, $800. The second equation comes from the requirement to make our driveway smooth. We know that the number of tons of fine gravel should be equal to 3 times the amount of coarse gravel that we use. Next, we need to translate this into a more mathematical equation by choosing variables. I'm going to use x to represent the tons of coarse gravel and y to represent the tons of fine gravel. Once we make that change, we get 2 equations. 29x plus 31y equals 800, and the second equation, y equals 3x. So notice that both of these equations are linear equations, something that we already know how to solve. What we're going to learn in the following videos is how to solve both equations at the same time.